Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to a circle with center O. If angle BOP equals to 156 degree, find angle APO. As angle AOP and angle BOP are linear pair, so the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now here we have given angle BOP is 156 degree. So angle AOP will be 180 degree minus 156 degree, that is 24 degree. As line draw through the center to the point of contact, that is OA is perpendicular to PA, so angle OAP is a right angle triangle, that is it is 90 degree. Now in triangle APO, sum of the angles of that triangle is 180 degree. So substituting values here, angle OAP is 90 degree plus AOP is 24 degree. We have to find angle APO. So APO will be 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 24 degree. 24 degree. So it will be 66 degree. Hence, measure of angle APO is 66 degree.